My name's Justin. I'm one of the partners here at Custom Cut Lumber. Hi, this is Custom Cut Lumber. We're a sawmill in Alto, Texas that specializes in cutting materials both for the general public and the industry. Some of our services include cutting a wide variety of lumber, timber, customers' logs, and specialty pieces such as wide slabs. We do trailer decking and trailer decking installation, planing and molding, bandsaw blade sharpening, and much more.
People are friendly, they answered all my questions, and they're very, very nice. It looks like pretty good quality, so it's sure gonna, work with my situation.
For more information, visit us at customcutlumbermill.com. Be sure to check out our pricing calculator. We're open 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday, so be sure to come and check us out for all your lumber needs.
Whether rain or shine, Custom Cut Lumber will go the extra mile for you.
Be sure to come visit us. We'll be happy to serve you.